So everybody lost their job the same week? Not lost, downsized. That's the sweet English they used. Mine didn't even use English. My boss just said no money again. My account balance is 2,350. You're rich. Mine is 1,100. Mine is zero.
You girls, rent don't expire. If I don't see money this week, pack your things.
3 months rent, 450,000. Being poor is a crime. We just need something small to hold on till we stand again. What if we stop trying to be poor people looking for money? What does that mean? What if we pretend to already have it? Explain before hunger makes me slap you.
AI movies with multiple talking characters are trending right now on social media, and you want to up on this. Today, I want to teach you how to use the right AI movies with multiple talking characters step by step. Before we get into the full video tutorial, if today is your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. My name is Happy Coach. If you love this kind of content and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that now by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to on your notification bell so that anytime we release a new video, you get notified. Also, if there is any question or video you want me to create, drop it in the comment section.
Let us get into the full video tutorial. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to generate our script for our story. So, I've created a prompt for you that is going to generate your script. Do you get? So, all you need to do, if you need that prompt, all you need to do is to comment prompts in the comment section, and I'm going to send it to you. So come to ChatGPT and paste the prompts. This prompt says, write a very emotional and viral style Nigeria story about 3 young women struggling to survive in a big city like Lagos. The story should be realistic, dramatic, and highly relatable. Focus on themes like friendship, financial hardship, admission, trust, and betrayal. Now, for you to generate this story, you need to have an idea of the story you want to create. So just give ChatGPT summary of the story you want, and ChatGPT is going to generate it for you. The story can be about 3 close friends living in Lagos suddenly lose their job in the same week and struggle to survive in the expensive city, with their landlord threatening to evict them. So they come up with a risky idea where one of them begins to fake being a wealthy crypto trader online. So I'm just going to paste the summary of the story here. So once you paste, there's another part that's very important. Come to this part. It should have suspense, plot twist, and a powerful ending that teach subtle life lesson. So it should have first scene with character name, short dialogue in each scene, no narration. Make the character feel real, flawed, and human. Don't make the dialogue of each scene too long, but make it good enough that viewers want part 2. So this last part prompt is also very important. So we are going to click on send. Now, okay, our script has been generated. Now we can see we have the scene 1 here. We have 3 characters: Amaka, Sade, and Tenny. So these are the 3 main characters we have in the story. So you can see. Then we also have our scene 2. You can see it here. Then we have our scene 3. So you can see the dialogue are not that too long. So after you have generated your script, the second step is to generate images for our script. So you are going to paste this prompt inside ChatGPT. So the prompt says, give me a detailed prompt for the image of each character and scene. Make sure the outfits are beautiful, modern, top-notch, elegant, pizza style animated image. Make sure you use this prompt. So we are generating image for both character and the scene. So we are going to click on send. Okay, so ChatGPT has generated our image prompt for the character. You can see Amaka, you can see the second character, which is Tenny, and we have the third character, which is Shade. So we have image prompt for each of the character. Then it has also generated prompts for the scene. We have 4 scene. So we have the first scene. You can see this is the image prompt for scene 1. This is the image prompt for scene 2, and this is the image prompt for scene 3 and scene 4. So now we want to go and generate our image. So I'm going to copy the prompts for the character 1, which is Amaka. So I'm going to copy the image prompt. So I've copied it. Then once you copy it, go to your Chrome browser and type in this website, Google Flow. So that is the website we are going to be using to generate our image. Click on the first one. Then if you have not signed up on this website, make sure you sign up with your email or your Google account. So once you've logged in, you are going to see an interface like this. So you are going to see projects here. Just click on projects. It's going to bring you here. You see this place where they write Nano Banana 2. Click on that place. Now, I want to generate an image which is portrait. Do you understand? Because I want to use it for YouTube short. But if you want to use it for YouTube, you can use landscape. So then I'm going to select multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. That is, I want the image to generate 2 images so that I can pick the one that is good out of the 2. So once you have done that, now I'm going to paste the prompt I copy, which is the image prompt for our first character. I'm going to paste it here. Once I do that, I'm going to click on send. So now our image character is generating. So while generating, we don't have to wait. I'm just going to minimize it, then I'm going to go and copy the second image character. Do you understand? This is our second character, which is turning. So I'm going to copy the image prompt. So now I've copied it, I'll go back to Google Flow to go and generate the second character. So now I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to click on send. Then our second character is generating. Now you can see the first character has finished generating. Good. So let's see the one that is okay, the one that is realistic. So I think I still like the other one, which this one that the lady is sitting down. So I'm going to save this. So I'm going to click on download, then click on original size, and it's going to be downloaded to my phone gallery. Now I'm going to go to the second image that has generated and save it also on my phone. So you can see this image, you can see they are lovely. So I'm going to select the second one and download it to my phone gallery. You can see how amazing these images are. So that is that. Now we go back to ChatGPT and copy the third image prompt for the third character. So I'm going to copy it, go to Google Flow, then paste it there. So I'm going to click on send and it's going to be generating. So while generating, I'll go to ChatGPT and copy the character prompt for our first character. So I'm going to paste it here, but I'm not going to show you. I'm going to skip that part. So I tried to generate the fourth character, but you can see that it's not showing. It's showing this. So once you have something like this, all you need to do is to click on the reload button and it's going to regenerate it. So you don't need to panic. Now, once you have done with that, then click on the download button and it's going to download to your phone. Now the next thing is to generate our scene. Now for you to generate your scene, you click on this plus icon here. Now all the images that we have generated from this website is going to show. So we are going to select the first image. You are going to pick the first image and it's going to show here. Once you click, then you click on the plus icon again, pick the second image character that we generate and it's going to show here. Click on the plus icon again and pick the third character. So we have our 3 character now. Now, after we have done this, so I'll go to ChatGPT and go and copy the prompt, the image prompt for scene 1. Do you get the image prompt from scene 1? So I'll copy it, then go to my Google Flow. We are still using Google Flow and paste it there. Then I'll click on send. Then it will start generating. So while generating, I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for scene 2. Then come back here. Now, before we paste our prompt here, we need to bring in the image character we generated, the first, second, and third character. So we are going to click on the plus icon here and click on the first character. Then you click on the plus icon again, bring in the second character. Click on the plus icon again, bring in the third character. The same way we repeat for that scene 1. So once you are bringing the 3 character, then you can now paste the prompt for the second scene. Hope you understand me. So I'm going to do that. So I'll paste the prompts, then I'm going to click on send and it's going to generate our scene for the second scene. So now you can see the first scene as generated. You can see the image for the first scene. Good. So let's wait for the image for the second scene. So while waiting for the second scene, we are going to click on the download button here and we are going to click on the download and it's going to be downloaded to our phone. Now our second scene has finished generating. So you can see how lovely, beautiful this picture are. So now you can see here, just click on the download button here and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. So we have gotten our second image for our second scene. So we go to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for scene 3. So I'm going to do that. So once I've copied it, I'll go back to Google Flow and before I paste it, like the way we did it the first and second time, before I paste prompt, I'm going to click on the plus icon here. I'm going to bring in my first, second, and third character. So once I have done that, then I'm going to paste my prompts. So it's still the same process. So once I paste my prompt, then I'm going to click on send, and our third image scene is going to be generated. Okay, we now have our image for scene 3. Guys, isn't this amazing? These images are lovely. So what you need to do is to click on the download button, and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. Now, I'm going to skip scene 4 because it's still the same process, but I'm going to show you the image I generated for scene 4. So this is the image for scene 4. Now, we are done with our scene image generation. Now, the next thing is for us to turn this image to video. Do you get? Okay guys, if you are enjoying this video to this time and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, before we continue, kindly hit the subscribe button, make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. Now to generate the video, we go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate the exact story with the exact dialogue, but I want the character to have indicators of who they are, e.g. Amaka, the lady in green pant trousers. Now, if you put this prompt, it will help you to be easier for you when you are generating your video on Grok AI. Now, and you won't have to struggle with what your character is going to say. So once we do that, we click on send, and it's going to help us to put indicators. You can see that I specify what each of the character is going to say. You can say Amaka, the lady in green blouse. So everybody lost their job. Look at Tenny, the lady in the orange blazer. So it has specified, so you don't need to struggle with what your character will say. So the next place we are going to go is Grok AI. So we are using Grok AI to generate our video. So we are going to start with scene 1. We are going to copy the dialogue bit by bit. The reason why you cannot copy all the scene 1 at once to generate the video is because the website Grok AI cannot generate more than 7 seconds video at once. So we are going to generate it bit by bit. So I've copied the first part. So I'll come down to Grok AI. Once you log in, I'm going to click on Imagine. So if you have not signed up with your Google account, make sure you sign up with your Google or email account. So once you click on Imagine, it's going to bring out this interface. So click on Image and click on Animate Image. So once you click on Animate Image, click on this plus icon, and it's going to take you to your phone gallery. We are going to bring in the image for scene 1. We are working with scene 1. So we bring in the image for scene 1. So I'll click this. Now, once you have done that, you click on this icon here. So we are going to select our aspect ratio, which is 9:16. So depending on what you want to use it for, if you want to use 16:9, that's okay. So after selecting that, now I'm going to write using Nigerian accents. This is very, very important. Before you paste your prompt, you need to put this using Nigerian accent. You want what they want to say, you want it to be in Nigerian accent. Then I'll put this. Then I'm now going to paste the prompt. Remember that we copy prompts, our first part dialogue of the first scene. So I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to put end quotes here. Then after the end of the prompt, then I'm now going to put using the right gestures and mannerism. This is very important. Make sure you put it at the end of the prompt, using the right gestures and mannerism, so we are going to click on send, and it will start generating. So let's listen to our.
So everybody lost their job the same week? Not lost, downsized. That's the sweet English they used.
Good. So this is our first part of the dialogue. Good. So we are going to click on the download button here. Then it's going to be downloaded to your phone gallery. Now we go back to our ChatGPT and copy the second part of the dialogue of scene 1. We are still working with scene 1. So I'm going to copy the second part and come back to grok.com. So on Grok, click on this image and on the plus icon, then bring in the image for scene 1. We are still working under scene 1. So once you are bringing the image, now before you paste your prompt, the same way we did it for the first part dialogue, write use Nigeria accent. After you write use Nigeria accent, then put open quotes, then paste the prompt. Then at the end of the prompt, put close quotes and put using the right gestures and mannerism. Once you have done that, then click on send. You can see here our video will start generating. So
my boss just said no money again. My account balance is 2,350. Mine didn't even use English. My boss just said no money again. My account balance is 2,350.
Okay, that's the video it generated for us. So I'm going to click on download then it's going to download it to my phone. Now we are going to repeat the same process for the remaining part in scene 1. Do you get? So I'm going to skip that part. I will go straight to scene 2 now. So I'll go to ChatGPT and go and copy part of the dialogue in scene 2. Then come to Grok AI, click on the plus icon here, then go to your phone gallery and bring in the image for scene 2. Then once you bring it here, then before you paste your prompts, don't forget that you are going to write using the Nigerian accent. So after you write that, paste your prompts, then close quotes, then don't forget to use the right gestures and mannerism. Then click on send, then it's going to be generated. So once this is our video.
20,000 followers! Please mentor me. Okay, I'm listening. Teach me how to trade. Check the messages. Help me escape poverty.
Once it generates, click on the download button and it's going to download to your phone. So you're going to repeat the same process for everything. So you copy the dialogue bit by bit. So once you are done, the next thing is to compile all our video together. So we are going to use this app, CapCut. So I want to bring in all the file. So I have it here. So I want to bring in all the video. So you are going to select it in order. So this is the first one, second one. So I'm going to pick everything. Sorry. You can see the way I'm doing it. So I'm going to select all the video. Good. So after selecting all the video, we are going to click on add.
So everybody lost their job the same week? No.
So we are going to listen to the video. Now you are going to edit it. Anywhere you see unnecessary pause, where there is a pause or there is silence, just cut it, just trim it out. Do you understand? If you don't know this is how to trim it, just click here. For example, you want to cut this part out, just click on that place and click on split. Then you can just click on split. Do you get? Then you can just delete the part you don't want. But I'm not doing that. So just listen to all the video and see where there is silence, there is unnecessary pause. If you want to add transition, you can add it. This is it. Just put your pointer here and you can add transition to it. But I'm not adding transition to it. So once you have done then you can now click on export and it's going to be exported to your phone. So this is how to create a video. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.